So to build your niche AI tools inside ChatGPT, you just need a few pieces. So one is a set of custom instructions that you would upload to your GPT. So I'm going to show you an example. You need a description and icebreakers, which is just, I'll show you what that is. It's just to kind of get it moving, and the files that you upload to your project knowledge base. So inside the AI Growth Lab, I give you this for all the GPTs that I've developed so far, and also, anything that we can, develop together that you feel you might need. You'll learn the process of how to do this, how to create them, how to edit them, how to test them. And then also you've just got a plug and play library of my AI copywriting team, everything from sales pages, content, building freebies, sales, email sequences, all that good stuff. And it really is very simple to do. So I'm just going to show you one example. Okay, so we've got the Instagram carousel writer. So what you get access to is, they're just Google documents, but it's really straightforward. So these are the custom instructions, and you literally just copy and paste this into your GPT. If there's anything that needs to be updated specific to you, it'll be highlighted in yellow. But most of them, there's not going to be that much that you need to do, because what we're doing is uploading all the stuff about your business to the knowledge base. But anything that you need to do is going to be really easy and obvious. Then you have the descriptions. So this is just the name of your GPT, the icebreakers. So if we look at the Instagram carousel builder, so please paste your content to repurpose. But these are the icebreakers here. And then your project knowledge files. So we're always going to have the sort of foundational documents. Sometimes there might be specific frameworks to upload, depending on the complexity of the GPT. For example, I've got one that writes websites, and to put the entire framework into the custom instructions, it's too long. So we upload it to the project knowledge files as a document, and then we just reference it in the custom instructions. But like I said, all of this is done for you. It's literally just a copy and paste. And you can build out your own suite of AI copywriters really, really quickly.